Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is really special for me because I'm sharing something I've been working on for months. Let me introduce Kravix Studio. Kravix Studio is an AI-powered creative studio where you can generate short social media video in just one click, creating a stunning product ad with an avatar, and even bring your idea to life with a cinematic or pixel style animations. And I can't wait to show you how it works and what it can do. Let me dive into it. So I'm very thankful to the Clerk authentication who sponsored this Kravix Studio project. Clerk is an authentication service provider which provide you a complete security for your application by providing the authentication service. It provides a lot of different features in the authentication like multi-factor authentication, session management, magic link, and many others. Not only that, but Clerk also introduced brand new feature called subscription billing. You don't need to integrate any payment gateway. Just within one line of code, you can integrate the beautiful Stripe payment gateway directly into your application. And that's possible because of the Clerk. So guys, just click the link in the description so that you can check it out about the Clerk authentication. Let me come back to this Kravix Studio. Simply, you can go to the kravixstudio.com. I will put the link in the description in order to test this application. Kravix Studio is an AI-powered short film generator platform. You can generate a short film with a consistent character throughout the video. Also, you can edit each scene one by one, or you can even generate each scene one by one. You have option to select the voice, you have option to select the music, and there are many more features you will find with the Kravix. You can even generate the multiple episode based on a single storyline. That's how cool, right? Also, you will find a bunch of video created by other created using this Kravix Studio platform. With the Kravix Studio, you can create a multiple style video like 3D Pixar, cinematic, anime, Ghibli, and many others. Let me show you the quick demo. Simply go to the Kravix Studio, click Get Started. After login to the Kravix Studio app, you will jump onto this dashboard where you have quick access to each of these functionality. On the left hand side, you will find all of these features available to use. Now, in order to create a short film, we'll jump onto this Create Short Film option. Over here, simply enter the prompt for which you want to create a short film, or you can use this Inspire Me option to get some inspiration stories. After that, you have option to select whether you want to create a short film or multiple episode. Then select the screen type, then select the resolution, and then select the video style, whether you want 3D Pixar, cinematic, Ghibli, anime, or realistic. Let's select the 3D Pixar, and then you have option to duration. Later on, obviously, we are going to increase the duration time as well for a longer film, and simply click Generate Outline. Now it will generate two different outline for you. Now you can select any of them. If you want to add more details, just enter more details into these outlines. Once you are happy with the outline, simply click Generate, and then Kravix Studio will generate a complete script scene by scene. Over here, if you see, right now it's generating. It might take a 30-second or less than minute, so we'll wait to finish this. Once the story is ready, you will get the notification via email. But if you want to see it over here, you can even refresh it to check whether the story is ready or not. And here we go. Once you click on this one, you will see there's two options. One is episode and another is setting. Under this episode, if you expand this one, you will see each scene for that particular episode. Obviously, you have option to edit each scene with the narration, the scene. If you want to edit the scene, obviously you have to upgrade, and you can even edit the animation for that particular scene. How cool, right? Currently, we have all the outline ready. And if you want to generate the episode once you are happy with all the scenes, simply click Generate Episode. If you want to generate a specific scene, you have option to generate that one as well by just clicking this button. But if you want to generate all the scene all together, simply click generate episode and then click continue. And over here you will see it will start generating each scene one by one. Obviously you just need to sit relax and then wait to finish this generation. Also in the setting you will see all the characters available are included in that particular story. You also have option to edit each of this character and then you can regenerate each of this character as well. If you want to change the hairstyle, you want to change the color of the dress, something like that, just enter it inside this character description. Then on the right hand side you will see some settings like change the video size, episode duration, or even you can change the voice. Once everything is good, simply save the settings. Right now we'll wait to finish this episode generation. Here if you see some of the scene are generating, and then once it is ready you have an option to preview each scene one by one. Cool, right? But you also have option to watch the complete episode by just clicking this play draft video.
It was a quiet morning in the small town, but something was terribly wrong. The adults had vanished, leaving only silence behind.
Pretty cool, right? And the most important thing is the character is consistent throughout the video. If you see these scenes as well, okay? Once you are happy with your episode and film, simply click export and then it automatically start exporting the video. Once the video is exported, just simply download the video and then you can access it from your local files. But if you make any changes to any scene, make sure to generate that scene and then export it again with all new changes. That's how easy it is. And that's in a few minutes we created this beautiful Pixar style short film. This is just a single feature of the Kravix Studio, but there are many more. Let me show you the short video generator where you can create a short video by just one click. Over here, simply you can enter your script or you can use the AI script writer to generate the script. Once you enter the topic, select the language. There are multiple languages you can select from and then select the duration as well. And then simply click generate script. This particular feature is perfect for those who want to create a short video for their social media platform. It might be informative or some stories, something like that. Once the script, you are happy with the script, select the video style. You have different style to select from. Once you select the style, select the background music. Here you can even have option to see the background music or to listen background music as well. Once you select the background music, select the voiceover and simply click generate video. And then just sit and relax. And here we go. In this short video generator, it also generates the video, all the captions, narration, everything all together. Over here you have this beautiful video editor. You can have option to edit each scene, regenerate that scene, and then you can see the preview on the right hand side.
Did you know Cleopatra lived closer to the moon landing than to the building of the Great Pyramid?
You will see this beautiful background music as well. Not only that, but you can even change the caption style. Whichever caption style you want, you can select that one. And then you have option to change a background music. Once you are happy with everything, simply export this video. If you want to remove this watermark, obviously you need to upgrade it. But let's export this video. And then you will also get notification about video is ready via email. Then simply download this video and then it's ready to post it on a social media platform. How easy it is, right? The next interesting feature is the product ads, where you can generate an AI products ad with an avatar. Simply click create now. Over here you have option to upload the image, whichever image you want. Simply open that image. Over here you have option to add a description if you want to generate any specific style of image, and then select the image size and simply click generate. Once the image generation started, you will see that it's generating. And here we go. If you see this beautiful image, obviously whatever we uploaded, that is the output we are getting. Now let's consider that you want to animate this video image into a video. Simply click on animate, and automatically in just single click it will also convert your image in a beautiful video. And once it is ready, you will get an option to play this video, and boom, if you see, depends on the content, the product view uploaded, depends on that one, or automatically it will generate a video for you. How cool, right? Now let's move to the next interesting part, which is an avatar. Let's upload an image again, and in this case let's upload some different image. Over here you have option to select an avatar. You can add a description if you want, and then select the image size and simply click generate. Now it will generate an avatar along with your product image holding your product. And boom, if you see, it generated this beautiful product image with an avatar. Now obviously you have option to explore more on this one. If you see, there are some video I have generated with the products, and same way you can also generate it. Here are some example which I generated previously, and it just very cheap cost. Okay, it is one of the best application you will find on the internet. Now under the explore section you can even explore all the videos, short film generated by other user. You can even keep all the track of your created projects under the my projects, and the most important, you can see all your credits at one place, how many credits are left. Okay, now if you want to join with a subscription to enable extra feature, you can go to the pricing, you can subscribe to any plan, or not only that, but you can even buy the credits, depends on how much credits you want. Now Kravix Studio also working on enabling the developers API, so that you can build your own app with the help of Kravix Studio APIs. It's coming at the end of this particular week, so you can build your own application similar like a Kravix Studio. So guys, if you really like this project and application, please give a try. I will put the link in the description so you can try this out. And once you click in the link in the description, you will get 500 credits where you can create multiple videos, short videos, even the products add images and video as well. So give a try, and we'll see you in the next video.